Inside your Novoglan medical device box, there are a number of important pieces or components. So we're going to take a look at those now. So what's included in the kit? The Novoglan squeeze pole, plus the tube that's connected to the stopcock. You get a Novoglan inflator with 2 O-rings attached, and then the device body, all as one unit. The guide rod with a spacer inserted. 3 spare Novo inflator balloons and optional Novoglan latex inflation balloons. The instructions for use: alcohol swabs and cotton tips.